Hi everyone, welcome back to our class vlog. Today we're going to talk about something that makes every relationship stronger. Yung tinatawag nating relational harmony. This isn't just about love life, okay? It's all about your family, friends, classmates, even your group mates, no? Na sometimes nagdi-disappear during projects, no? During pitas. So let's explore how we can build better, kinder, and more peaceful relationships with others, okay? So for now, I am going to share with you my screen. Ayan. So now, let's start with the definition of relational harmony, no? When we say relational harmony, it means it's the state or the refers to the state of peaceful and positive interactions between individuals in a relationship, whether it's among family members, friends, communities. So, ibig sabihin, having peaceful and positive interactions with the people around you, it it is a relational harmony na, okay? Whether it's at home, in school, or in the community. So, when we say relational harmony then, it's about respect, it's about understanding, it's about teamwork, no? Sa ating kultura bilang Filipino, we value relationship deeply, tama? Yes? That's why yung mga traits katulad ng empathy, pakikipagkapwa, kabaitan, ayan, yung compassion, yung mga sobrang importante sa atin, no? Kapag meron tayo o nasa sitwasyon tayo or nasa relationship tayo, no? So harmony isn't just avoiding conflict actually. It's about nurturing and keeping balance in our relationship. Okay, so let's start with the first one, no, na masasabi nating traits when it comes to relational um, harmony, no? The first one is empathy. Yan. First, we have empathy, no? It's when you say empathy, it is when we feel and understand others na kung ano man yung kanilang pinagdadaanan. Yan. Ano man ang kanilang nararamdaman. It is more than saying, I know how you feel. No? It's really putting yourself in their shoes. That is empathy. No? Halimbawa na lang, meron kang kaibigan, malungkot siya. Hindi mo lang sabihin na, hey, cheer up. Ganon. Kundi, pag meron ka ng empathy, you listen, you try to understand what they feel, and why they feel that way. So, yan. So, empathy means, I feel you, not I ignore you. Okay? That's it. Okay, next naman tayo, we have the pro-social behavior. When you say pro-social behavior, it means prioritizing others' well-being. Itong sinasabi natin pro-social behavior, it means doing something good for others without expecting anything in return. So, halimbawa, you are going to help your classmates picking up their things, or kaya you will donate, or simply being there for someone, that is pro-social na. Okay? So, tandaan na, just um, help your classmates, not just your crush. Okay? May hugot. Okay, next tayo, we have other-centeredness. Okay. So, sinabing other-centeredness, ito yung actions natin dapat intended to benefit others. It means thinking about others before yourself. Okay? Hindi naman to the point na kakalimutan mo na yung sarili mong pangangailangan. But, centeredness, you show that you care. Okay. So, ano bang hugot natin dyan? Um,
A solo project. Ano? It's a group work. Ayan. Okay? So ngayon, Next natin ay ang, nalobat na aking pad. Okay, ay ang pakikipagkapwa. Okay. Pag sinabi natin pakikipagkapwa, ito yung Filipino value na mayroong malalim na connection at respect para sa iba. Okay? Ibig sabihin, we treat others as fellow human beings, no? We show deep respect and compassion. So, halimbawa, when you help your neighbor, you share your food, or you comfort a friend, yan yung tinatawag nating pakikipagkapwa in action naman. Okay? Tandaan ha, treat others well. Kasi, sabi nga ng iba, karma's faster than your wifi. Okay? Good tayo? Okay, next tayo, we have the compassion. Compassion naman po is the ability to recognize and understand someone else's suffering. Okay? So it's more than just a feeling on sorry ka for someone. It's about understanding na yung kanilang struggles and syempre, aside sa understanding their struggles, you are taking action. Okay? Like for example, when someone is sad or struggling, don't just ignore them, no? You should show care. You offer comfort. Pero wag naman to the point na maging marites, ha? Don't be a marites. Be a mabait na lang. Okay, next tayo, we have the fairness. Fairness means treating people equally and with respect. Okay? It means dapat equal ka when you treat others, no? Meron kang respeto kahit ano pang estado niyan sa buhay. Ayan. So, sa klase, minsan, no, nangyayari dapat ito, no, in-expect na mangyari ito. It means, binibigyan ang bawat isa ng chance to participate or share their ideas. So, ganun tayo, di ba? Kahit na minsan bilang ko lang kung sino yung nagre-recite, pero hindi yan ibig sabihin na hindi ko na binibigyan ng chance yung iba. So, dapat ganon, no? Di natin, dapat ina-acknowledge din natin, no? Yung iba. So that they learn to participate and we can be fair to them. Okay? Natandaan na, be fair. Okay? Even to your groupmate na kapag meron sa GC kayo nasabi, nakasin-zone lang palagi. No? Bato-bato po sa langit, ang matamaan po ay sa pool. Ayan. No, dito tayo sa kindness naman. Kindness express thoughtful actions, words, and gestures that uplift others. So, kindness is simple. It's just doing small acts that make someone's day better. Ayan. Sample na lang yung pagngiti mo, smile, kaya yung pag-share mo ng notes kapag meron siyang di na-take down, like for example, di natapos, yung sinusulat niya. Okay, ano pa ba? Example ng kindness, you say encouraging words. Ayan. So, yung mga simpleng ganyang galawan, it costs nothing actually, but it makes a big difference. Yan. Tandaan ha, kindness is free. Hindi katulad ng data load, may bayad yun, no? So, wag tayong ilimit yung ating sarili sa pagiging mabait. Yeah. Okay, and the last one is collaboration. When we say collaboration, it means working together to achieve a common goal. Yes. Na-discuss na rin natin actually to paulit-ulit itong mga nakaraang lesson, na napakahalaga ng teamwork. No? Kasi sa teamwork, nangyayari yung nakikinig ka, nag-share ka, no? Ganun nangyayari yung collaboration po, no? Okay, so sa isang group P-task o group performance task, we not just let our group mates carry all the loads, no? Hindi yan hindi yan yung kaklase mo, hindi yan jeep. na isasakay ka niya lahat o isasakay ka lang, no? Paano ka, pabuhat, kumbaga, sasakay ka, no? Kundi, they need someone to collaborate with them so that the performance task or the group goal will be achieved. Okay? So now, so all of these values na na-discuss natin like empathy, pro-social behavior, other-centeredness, pakikipagkapwa, compassion, fairness, kindness, and collaboration. These values help us create a balance and understanding in our relationship. So, tandaan ha, harmony is about connection, not competition. No? Kung may mga misunderstanding tayo dyan, i-rebuild natin, no? I-rebuild natin. Don't unfriend daw. Pero depende sa situation, ano? Okay, now, it's your turn. For your activity, you're going to answer the processing question in essay form. So, paano natin gagawin to? Hindi ko kayo papasulatin sa papel. So you are going to post your essay right here in the comment section of this vlog. So, ang gagawin ko dyan, babasahin ko yan ha. Dapat real thoughts and honest reflections yung gagawin po ninyo. Not just something na kinapi-paste mo pa para galing sa kaklase mo. Ayan na naman tayo. Okay? So, ayan. So, siguro, ito yung mga processing questions po na ma-answer nyo. How is harmony seen in various relationships? How do these values that strengthen relationships differ from other values? And the third one is, why are these values essential in strengthening a relationship? So write your answer ha, as one essay lang. So dapat clear, organized, and meaningful siya. And to guide you, here's the rubric. Okay, rubrics 10 points po ang total. At ang criteria po natin, no, contents, 4 points. Dapat ay ang ideas ay clear, relevant, and show understanding of relational harmony. Second one is organization, that is 3 points. Thoughts flow smoothly with intro, body, and conclusion. And the third one is depth and reflection, that is 3 points. It shows personal insight, reflection, and real examples. Tandaan ha, write from the heart, not from ChatGPT. Okay? So I'll be checking your comments and giving feedback, so make it meaningful. Okay? If you learned something today too, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, sa relasyon man or sa recitation, huwag puro reason. Magbigay ng compassion. Ayan, this is Teacher Lemmy reminding you, harmony begins with you. Bye!